Thank you for buying this 22139 tube holster from Fixture Displays. This is a very simple device that can clamp onto your fish tank wall and secure your plastic hose. This is really handy, simple tool to work with. It's less than 5 inches long and very lightweight. If you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. You would screw on this screw and this will fasten your wall or glass wall up to half an inch in thickness. If it just happened to be a little thicker, you could sand off a little bit to accommodate. And the holes up to 3/4 inch in diameter, 0.82 to be precise. We're going to do a live demonstration as well very shortly. This is how your hose would fit into it. You can move that along to find your ideal position, and then this is how you would clamp onto your tank wall. I hope you enjoyed this product and video. Like us, subscribe, leave a good seller feedback and product review.